Hey everybody, it's Bjorn.
It's Burke.
And we are
the B team.
Today we're going to talk to you about a real interesting and important topic. If you're getting ready to buy a house, unless you've got a whole bunch of cash in the bank, you're going to have to.
You're going to have to borrow some money, so you're going to need a lender.
And that's what we're going to talk about today.
So with your lender, you have so many choices. I've had people come to the table with lenders of all varieties. Some are online lenders, some are, private lenders, some are through banks. And I guess what we're getting at today is your best lender option would be your private lender.
Yeah, using a private lender, a mortgage broker, if you want to call it that. And why I like using a lender versus a banker. And now let's be careful and not throw bankers under the bus here too much, because they're very good in many situations. If you need a car, if you need a personal loan, there's all types of things. I mean, they can even be great for getting your home loan. I just prefer using a lender, and specifically a lot of times a local lender, because these are people that know the area, that know what's going on, and have a vested interest in helping you get the loan.
Yes, yes. And another good thing about using these private lenders versus a lender from a bank or a credit union, not to bash them, is they're available 24/7. Don't call them at 3 a.m., but you can get a hold of them at 10 p.m. And so can I as your realtor. If we need a pre-approval letter to write up this offer, you're not missing out because your lender with a bank doesn't work weekends.
Right.
And I've had it happen with a few clients that were adamant about using their lender from a credit union or a bank. So they can be very beneficial in that aspect, but also in the aspect of, like, even community banks. One that I use pays $2,500 in closing fee just as a gift. I mean, that's huge.
There are going to be situations where we see a place and we need to write an offer as soon as possible. And to write that offer, we need that
pre-approval.
Right.
And it's so important. It truly is. And they can get it to us immediately.
Right. We need it right away. And also we need it for the amount. So let's use this for an example. If you're pre-approved for, let's say, $350,000, but the house that you're going to buy is only $270,000, we want to make sure that that pre-qualification letter says
nothing.
Right?
You don't want it to have any numbers on it.
Right.
In my opinion, only because they can maybe try and play hardball. If they see you're approved for $350 and you're only buying a $270. So I always tell my lenders, never put a price point that I'm approved for. Just put the address of the home that I'm approved to buy.
Right. And probably the last little bit of information that I just want to touch on, and we'll probably actually get a lender in here at some point to talk more specifically about this, but don't get wrapped up in with, I've banked with Superbank XYZ for the past 35 years. That's who I want my loan through.
Yes.
Because in most cases, it doesn't matter. That loan of yours is going to get resold. So don't worry about being loyal to this bank. They're not going to be terribly loyal to you. That lender, however, will be. They will keep track of you. They will help you for more future stuff. And they'll even let you know about things like refinancing when that time is right.
Yeah, when the mortgage rates drop, talk to your lender. They'll help you out.
So there you have it, a little bit of information for you on the whole lending process. Hopefully that was useful.
Yeah, I appreciate you guys coming and watching again. Please like or subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
See ya.